Greetings, cosmic explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the universe. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious realm of galaxies, unveiling 25 mind-blowing facts that will leave you starstruck. So, grab your telescopes, fasten your seatbelts, and let's soar into the cosmic wonders that lie beyond our imagination. Fact 1. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is estimated to be around 100,000 light-years in diameter. That's a staggering distance to fathom. If you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross from one end to the other. Fact 2. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They can be spiral, elliptical, or irregular. The mesmerizing spiral galaxies, like the Whirlpool Galaxy, showcase stunning arms of stars. Fact 3. Have you ever heard of galactic cannibalism? It's not as gruesome as it sounds. It's the process where a larger galaxy devours a smaller one, absorbing its stars and gas. Talk about cosmic recycling. Fact 4. The largest known galaxy, IC 1101, is a true behemoth. It's estimated to be over 50 times the size of the Milky Way. Imagine the celestial ballet happening within its vast expanse. Fact 5. Galaxies aren't stagnant, they're constantly on the move. Our Milky Way is hurtling through space at an incredible speed of 1.3 million miles per hour, dancing through the cosmos. Fact 6. The universe is expanding, and galaxies are moving away from each other. This was first discovered by astronomer Edwin Hubble, giving birth to Hubble's law, a cornerstone of modern cosmology. Fact 7. Ever heard of dark galaxies? These elusive, nearly invisible galaxies are composed of dark matter and emit little to no light. Their existence is inferred from gravitational effects on visible matter. Fact 8. Galaxies host some of the most extreme environments known to us. In the center of many galaxies, including our own, lies a supermassive black hole that devours surrounding matter. Fact 9. Galaxies aren't isolated, they often interact in cosmic dances. Colliding galaxies can trigger intense star formation and create breathtaking celestial displays. Fact 10. The Great Attractor is a gravitational anomaly pulling galaxies towards it. It's like a hidden cosmic magnet, tugging at the fabric of space itself. Fact 11. The Zone of Avoidance sounds like a sci-fi term, but it's real. It's an area of the sky obscured by the Milky Way's dust and stars, making it challenging to study galaxies located there. Fact 12. Quasars, short for quasi-stellar radio sources, are incredibly bright and distant galactic centers powered by supermassive black holes. They're among the most luminous objects in the universe. Fact 13. Galaxies have their own peculiar inhabitants, stellar nurseries. These are regions where new stars are born, fueled by interstellar gas and dust. Fact 14. The local group is our cosmic neighborhood, consisting of about 54 galaxies, including the Milky Way and Andromeda. A galactic meetup billions of years in the making is set to happen when the Milky Way and Andromeda collide. Fact 15. Galaxies emit radio waves, microwaves, and other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Radio telescopes allow us to hear the universe in a different way. Fact 16. The Fermi bubbles are colossal structures emanating from the Milky Way's center. These bubbles, discovered in gamma-ray emissions, stretch thousands of light-years above and below the galactic plane. Fact 17. Some galaxies are more ancient than others. The farther we look into space, the further back in time we see, revealing galaxies as they appeared billions of years ago. Fact number 18. The local void is a vast, nearly empty region of space where very few galaxies exist. It's like a cosmic desert surrounded by the galactic oasis of the local group. Fact 19. Galaxies are like cosmic fingerprints, each one unique in its composition, size, and history. They're the building blocks of the universe's grand tapestry. Fact 20. The Sloan Great Wall is a mind-boggling cosmic structure, a colossal arrangement of galaxies stretching over a billion light-years, making it one of the largest known cosmic structures. Fact 21. Dark matter, a mysterious and invisible substance, plays a crucial role in shaping galaxies. Its gravitational influence holds galaxies together and contributes to their structure. Fact 22. In the heart of galaxies, intense gravitational forces create mind-bending phenomena like gravitational lensing, where the fabric of space is bent and distorted. Fact 23. The Hubble Deep Field captured an astonishing image of a seemingly empty patch of space. But it revealed thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Fact 24. galaxies are like time capsules, preserving the history of the universe. By studying their light, astronomers can unravel the story of cosmic evolution. Fact 25. As we gaze at galaxies in the night sky, we're not just observing distant objects. We're peering into the past, witnessing the universe as it was billions of years ago. And there you have it, fellow cosmic enthusiasts, 25 astonishing facts about galaxies that illuminate the universe's beauty and complexity. From the tiniest dwarf galaxies to the grandest galactic superclusters, the cosmos never ceases to amaze. If you're as captivated by these celestial wonders as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next voyage through the cosmos. Until then, keep your eyes on the stars and your curiosity boundless. This is Fact Flow, signing off.